Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how electric motors are made, from raw materials to a fully tested high-performance motor. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos. Electric motors power our modern world, from electric vehicles and household appliances to industrial machines. Let's take a closer look at how these powerful devices are made. The process begins with carefully selected raw materials. High-purity copper, precision-cut steel, and durable aluminum form the foundation of every electric motor. Copper quality is critical. Even small variations can affect efficiency, performance, and heat resistance. Steel laminations are stacked with extreme precision to reduce energy loss and maximize magnetic efficiency. Next, the stator is created. Automated machines wind copper coils around the stator core with micrometer-level accuracy. These coils generate the magnetic field that drives the motor's rotation. Insulation is applied to protect the coils from heat, vibration, and electrical breakdown. The rotor is the moving heart of the motor. It must be perfectly balanced to spin smoothly at high speeds. Hydraulic presses ensure every component is aligned to exact tolerances. Each rotor is dynamically balanced to eliminate vibration and noise. Now, the stator and rotor are combined, forming a complete electric motor. Bearings and seals reduce friction and protect the motor from dust and moisture. Each motor receives a unique serial number for full traceability. Before leaving the factory, every motor undergoes rigorous testing. Performance, efficiency, and safety are carefully monitored in real time. Only motors that meet strict standards are approved for shipment. Approved motors are carefully packaged to prevent damage during transport. From here, electric motors are shipped worldwide to power countless applications.
And that's how electric motors are made, from raw materials to precision engineered power.